Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by loading your clip and placing it on the timeline at the correct resolution. This ensures tracking accuracy. Once done, duplicate the clip or add an adjustment layer so you can work non-destructively. Next, in Effect Controls, create an ellipse or rectangle mask on opacity or on a chosen effect like Gaussian blur. Position the mask over the face, tighten the edges, and set the playhead a few frames back so you can begin tracking forward. This gives a reliable initial keyframe. Now make the actual track. Click Track selected mask forward and watch how the mask follows the face. If the mask slips, pause and tweak mask feather and expansion to blend edges while preserving shape. Make sure the mask path hugs the jawline and eyes so rotations and tilt are handled. When occlusions or quick motion occur, add a second mask or insert manual keyframes. You'll need to correct a few frames by hand to keep the effect locked precisely to the face. Finish by applying the effect inside the mask. Whether that's a subtle blur, a color grade, or a replacement element, nest effects on the masked layer or adjustment track. Once complete, render the segment for smooth playback and export using your usual codec and bitrate settings. If you see mask drift during playback, make sure to try tracking at full resolution, reduce playback resolution only while tracking, or step through and correct problematic frames manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.